Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I just thought I'd do a video. Company I've been promoting or building or using for the last 18 months approximately. Very good company. It's a company called Leadsleap. I like them. It's ideal for an internet marketer. It's ideal for someone just about to start because you get a lot of autoresponders and traffic companies, and it does get expensive. Okay, there's a few large autoresponder companies. I won't mention their name. When you build your list, you're talking about say 20 to 30 to $50 a month, and that can be quite a lot of money for someone just about to start online. Or you build your list of about say 5,000, 10,000 people, and what happen is you'll be paying €100 approximately a month. That's a lot of money, if it's just about to start. But anyway, this company here is roughly about 19, just over $19 a month, guys. $19 a month, approximately, just over that. And you get lots for your money. Lots for your money. Firstly, you can build your list. I'll be sending mails to. I'm building my list day by day. And the beauty about this, guys, you can actually create your own opt-in pages or landing pages for your offers, which is absolutely fantastic. You can add videos, you can add text, you can create landing pages, opt-in pages, whatever you want to do, guys. Okay. And there's tutorials how to do it as well. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. And also, which I found is quite good, is getting traffic in within the platform, guys. All you need to do is just create a little banner, your offer, and you start getting clicks and views, yeah, which is great, because I'm getting conversions and I'm getting opt-ins, okay. But guys, in the day, I know a lot of people think, oh, I'm spending all this money, I'm not getting any traffic, and I'm not getting conversions. Guys, you need to do this consistently. Consistent. If you're consistent doing this every day or every 2 or 3 days, you'll start getting clicks, you'll start building your list, okay, and you get a few people conversions, okay, but you need to be consistent, okay. And also what I like about this company is if you're a free member and you can't afford 19 bucks a month, not a problem. All you need to do is go into the advertising platform of Leadsleap and click ads. They give you points. The more points you have, the more traffic you'll get. Okay, so that's an ideal opportunity if you're a free member and you're just about to start, and you can build your income that way and you build your list that way. But the free membership, you do have a few. You have the basic package. You have the basic package, but with the pro member, have virtually everything. Now, let me go through it with you guys. You have a track link that tracks your links. You have a rotator. You have obviously the autoresponder. You can broadcast your emails. You can get YouTube to broadcast. You can link it all up, guys. Yeah, and you have a page builder, which I mentioned earlier on. You can also build a funnel, a payment funnel. So it all links up together. Okay, we've got 2 or 3 businesses on the go. Yeah, and then you've got pop-up blockers. You've got pop-up creators. You have pop-up manager, cookie generator, and also, which is very, very good, is an image manager. You put your images on there and store them on Leadsleap. And also PDF manager. You can have PDFs here within the platform. Okay, but guys, it's got everything all here. You can actually promote this business. It's up to you. But the beauty, my favourite thing I do like about Leadsleap, I do like creating opt-in pages and landing pages. This is a bonus. You can actually move your text. You can just play around with it, and make it nice and clean. They do have a few options as templates, but you can actually import your own in there. And it's ideal for the small marketer to get his teeth in, get traffic, all in under one roof. It's so important, it really is, because if you've got no traffic, you have no business. You have no business. If you're promoting a product online, okay, you need traffic. Traffic is the blood of our industry, and this is the ideal platform to build your email list and get more conversions and also get yourself out there. Okay, it's very, very well managed, and the customer support is absolutely fantastic. Okay, this is a must. It really, really is. I've been a member for just over 18 months, and I thought I'd share this. I've done a video 18 months before, if you check my YouTube channel, when I first started, and I still love it. I still love it today, you know. But my advice, really, 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 for if you're a newbie or if you're in other platforms, you find it really, really expensive with autoresponders, choose this one because you're getting traffic as well. And plus, you can build your opt-in pages and landing pages. It's all on one roof for just over $19 a month. Guys, it's a steal. It really, really is, yeah. But meanwhile, click on the link below and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And any questions, any answers, just leave a comment in the YouTube channel, and also subscribe to my channel as well. And if you want a one-to-one, please email me, or you can contact me on Facebook. All my links will be below the video. But meanwhile, take care, having a great day. Thank you very, very much for watching my video. Thank you.